Is there any chapter that you think you are not very comfortable in, or you are facing difficulties?
Permutations and combinations.
Okay, so we'll give you like more questions to practice. Okay, of that chapter.
Yes, sir.
Abdul, what about you? Any doubts on the exam, Abdul? Okay, let's wait few minutes for others to join, then we'll start a new chapter. Okay, guys, we'll start the class in just 2-3 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So the chapter we are going to start is binomial theorem. Okay, binomial theorem. You have read about chapters polynomial in previous classes, right?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean by polynomial?
It's when there's more than one variable present.
Right, more than one terms, right? If I write
One term.
only ax, this is one term,
Yes, sir.
so it is called monomial. Okay, binomial stands for two terms, ax plus b, by plus cx, and so on. Any two terms are called binomial. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what is binomial theorem? Any expansion of binomial powers. Any expansion of powers of binomial. Okay, what do I mean by this? If we have read about the formula a plus b whole square. So a plus b is a binomial, right?
Yes, sir.
And what is the formula?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Very good. So can I say this is 1 times a square plus 2 times ab plus 1 times b square? We also know a plus b whole cube.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the formula.
A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube.
Very good. So can I write this as 1 times a cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 times ab square plus 1 time b. If you look at these two, here the power is 2. Here also the cumulative power is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here also the power is 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Same way in this is 3, 3, 3, and 3 because the power was 3. All right. So
Yes, sir.
this is how we are expanding the powers of a binomial. Now someone asks you what is a plus b to the power 10. Now what to do? This is what we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, if you have different powers of binomial, then how to solve them. Okay, so you can write it down first. So you can write integral powers. You can only take integral powers. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if x comma y belongs to real numbers and n belongs to natural numbers, okay, power should be a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till infinite, and the term should be real numbers. Then what we can say, x plus y to the power n can be written as nc0 x to the power n minus 0 y to the power 0 plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y to the power 1 plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y to the power 2, so on till ncn x to the power n minus n, which is 0 into y to the power n. This is how we can expand any powers of any binomial. Okay, we already know what is nc0, nc1, nc2, right? From
Yes, sir.
permutation combination. Okay, note it down. If we look at this, the powers of x is decreasing. N, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on till 0. And powers of y is increasing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till n. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So suppose we have x plus y to the power 1. It should be valid for this. So the value of n is 1. So 1c0 x to the power 1 minus 0 y to the power 0 plus 1c1 x to the power 1 minus 1 y to the power 1. Right? We can fill this pattern. So 1c0, who can tell me the value of 1c0? What is 1c0?
0, 1.
1. Right? And this is 1 times x plus 1c1 is
1.
so we can see this is x plus y. Same way, try to write this x plus y square.
Done, sir.
Okay, so this we can write 2c0 x to the power 2 and y to the power 0 plus 2c1 x to the power 1 y to the power 1 plus 2c2 x to the power 0 y to the power 2, and 2c0 is 1 plus This is 2 plus y square. Okay. So please expand x plus y to the power 4. Okay, 2 minutes for this. Abdul, is it clear what I'm saying? Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, what will be the answer?
X raised to 4 plus 4x cube y x cube y plus 4x square, no 4 4c2 x square y square plus
What is the
4c.
value of 4c2? You have to find the value of 4c2 also. If you do not remember, NCRS n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so please find the final answer.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, what is the answer?
X raised to 4 plus 4x cube y plus 6x square y square plus 4xy cube plus y raised to 4.
Yes, very good. Okay, Abdul, this is clear. All right. Now remember this. x and y does not have to be alone. We can have this also, 2x plus 3y to the power 2. So the identity is applicable in this also. Just write 2x instead of x. So if we open this, this will be 2c0, 2x to the power 2, 3y to the power 0 plus 2c1, 2x to the power 1, 3y to the power 1 plus 2c2, 2x to the power 0 and 3y to the power 2. Okay. And by simplifying, we'll get the answer. So remember, x and y doesn't have to be alone. They can have coefficients also. Okay, Rishita, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So simplify another one. Question says expand 2x plus 3y to the power 5. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I got it.
Okay, what is the answer?
32x raised to 5 plus
32 x raised to the
x
power
raised
5. Mhm.
plus 240 x raised to 4y
Right,
plus 720 x cube y square
right,
plus 1080 x square y cube
very good,
plus 810 x y raised to 4
right,
plus 243 y raised to 5.
very good. Absolutely correct. Okay, so we can do this. Abdul, is it clear? Okay, okay. Let's see some special case. If I write x minus y to the power n, can I say this is equals to x plus minus y to the power n? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we can use the expansion theorem, which is nc0 x to the power n minus y to the power 0 plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 minus y plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 minus y to the power 2, so on till ncn x to the power n minus n minus y to the power n. Okay, so we
Yes, sir.
can simplify this and say this is nc0 x to the power n minus nc1 x to the power n minus 1. Why? Because this negative can come outside, and plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 and y square, because minus y square is positive, and so on. And in the end, plus or minus depending on the power ncn x to the power n minus n minus y to the power n. Because we do not know the value of n, so it can be either even or odd, and so as this can be plus or minus, right?
Yes, sir.
So remember this, for the coefficients where ncn, nc1, nc3, nc5, all the values are negative. The rest of them are positive. So this also you can write that x minus y, if you expand the powers where y is odd, will be negative, and for even it will be positive. Okay, note it down. Hi Joel, you are 45 minutes late.
Sorry, sir. I had another class. It got over a bit late. So, uh,
Okay, we started with a new chapter, just note it down.
okay, sir. I'll take screen.
Please.
So, Yes, sir. Can you start now? Please go ahead. Yes, sir.
Okay, we started with binomial theorem. Okay. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down few observations. Some observations. First one, the number of terms in the expansion is n plus 1. That is one more than the power. Okay. When we write a plus b whole square, we get 3 terms. A plus b whole cube, we get 4 terms, and so on. If the power is 10, the number of terms will be 11. Second thing that I already told you, the sum of powers of x and y in each term is n. Third thing, the binomial coefficient of the terms nc0, nc1, dot dot, all of them are equidistant from the beginning and the end are equal. Okay, that means NCR equals to NCR minus 1. Note it down and I'll explain the last one.
So this was one of the rules in permutations and combinations, right?
Yes, this was one of the formulas. Okay. NCR, NPR, mainly NCR is used in this binomial theorem. Okay. We use in that also, but a lot of properties we'll discuss in this chapter. Okay. Done.
Yes, sir.
Binomial coefficient means this NC0, NC1, NC2, these only. Okay. And if you look at here, x plus y whole power 4. This is 1, this is 1, 4 and 4 and 6. So equidistance from the beginning and the end are equal. Second term and second term from the beginning and end are equal. This is what the last point says. Okay. So please solve one more question. Expand y plus 2 to the power 6. Very simple question. Joel, you can do this.
Try, sir.
Okay. Hi, Akib.
Hello, sir.
You are 1 hour late in today's class.
Sorry, sir. I was not having net. Just now I got.
Okay, do what the recorded lecture. Okay, you have missed a lot of things. This is a new chapter. Okay,
Okay, sir. Sir, name chapters.
binomial theorem.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So today only get the recorded lecture and watch it before the next class. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and also bear with me for the rest of the class.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
All right. So Akib and Joel, look at this. How to expand this? Take this power
Yes, sir.
6 C0. Remember NCR or permutation
Yes, sir.
combination? Same thing, 6 Z0 into first term to the power 6 minus 0. Okay? Into second term to the power 0. What you have written here, right here. What you have written here, just subtract. Okay? 6 minus 0. Plus. Now just keep increasing one by one. 6C1, same thing. First term, 6 minus 1. Second term, 1. Okay, Akib,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me the next term?
So 6 is C2 y 6 minus 2 2 into 2.
2 to
Sorry,
the
2
power
power
2.
2.
Very good.
Sorry, sir.
And Joel, next term?
63 y cube 2 cube.
Very good. And then it will be 64 y to the power 2 and 2 to the power 4 plus 65 y to the power 1, 2 to the power 5 plus 66 y to the power 0, 2 to the power 6. Okay. Do not move ahead. 66 आ गया मतलब खत्म हो गया. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then you have to simplify this also. 64, 62 up to value निकालनी तो आती है formula 6 NCR is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. And this
Yes, sir.
6C0, 6C1, 62, 63, all of them are called binomial coefficients. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Note it down. Next question. Write the first 4 terms of 1 minus 2y square by 5 to the power 7. And Akib and Joel, remember this. You can write this as 1 plus minus 2y square upon 5 to the power 7. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now you can expand. So please find the first 4 terms.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
All right, everyone.
No, sir.
Not able to solve?
Sir, got confused.
Okay, okay. Tell me the first term. What should I write?
Sir, we can just write 1 plus minus 2y square by 5.
No, 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 no. Look at this. How did we start? NC0, 6C0, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you the first term. 7C0, 1 to the power 7 minus 0. Now second term is minus 2y square upon 5 to the power 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now second term, what should I write next?
Sir, 7c1, 1, 7 minus 1, then in bracket minus 2y square by 5, after closing a bracket 1.
Very good. Next term,
So 7c1,
7C
2,
2.
1, 7 minus 2, minus 2y square by 5 to the power 2.
And next one,
7c3, 1, 7 minus 3, minus 2y square by 5 to the power 3.
okay. So you got 4 terms, right?
Yes, sir.
This is first, second, third, and fourth. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Joel, Abdul, clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Special terms or special cases. If we expand 1 plus x to the power n, what we get is nc0, and this is 1 to the power n and 1 to the power anything is not very practical. 1 to the power anything is 1. Okay, so I'm not writing. Cool with everyone?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
can you please tell again?
I'm saying 1 to the power n, even though I write it, it is not very relevant, right? 1 to the power anything is 1, and this is x to
Yes,
the
sir.
power 0 plus nc1. Again, 1 to the power anything is not very cool to write, so I'll just skip. And nc2 x square, nc3 x cube, and so on. Ncn x to the power n. Same way, if we write 1 minus x to the power n, this is nc0 minus nc1 x plus nc2 x square minus nc3 x cube till minus 1 to the power n x to the power n. Okay,
Yes, sir.
write it down. I just wrote that series, put the value of x and y as 1 and x to get the answers. Okay.
Okay, sir. Finish, sir.
All right. let's write general term. General term, remember sequence and series? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
General term is a generalized form of term which, like जो भी आपको number चाहिए, you just put the value of n and you will get the answer. Same way here, general term is if you have to find r plus 1 term and you will write ncr for the sequence x plus y to the power r. General term is x to the power n minus r, y to the power r. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means if you have to find P5, this is P4 plus 1. So you'll put NC4 x to the power n minus 4 y to the power 4. Okay, if you have to find P5, then write NC4, one less than that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
write it down.
Finish, sir.
All right. One question. Expand x square plus 3 upon x to the power 4. And I do not need the answer is NC3, sir, 4C2. You have to tell me the exact value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Simplify. All right.
So do we use a general term as in this or the other formula?
No. Write directly the using that expansion. You do not have to write general term.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Akib.
sir, it is having x square. So should we write x2 plus 4 minus 0?
X2 plus 4 minus 0. Okay. Yes. NC0, which is 4C0 and x square to the power 4 minus 0 and 3 by x to the power 0, like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, Rishita. For the rest of you guys, 2 minutes. Rishita, you got the exact answer?
Yes, sir. So the numbers, like the exponent of x, like that.
Yes. Like I do not want to see C, 4C3, 4C4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I got.
Okay, okay. Very good. Akib, Abdul, Joel, got it?
Done, sir.
Still doing not a very long question. See, this will be 4c0 x square to the power 0 3 upon x square to the power 4 3 upon x to the power 0 plus 4c1 x square to the power 3 3 upon x to the power 1 plus 4c2 x square to the power 2 3 upon x to the power 2 plus 4c3 x square to the power 1 3 upon x to the power 3 plus 4c4 x square to the power 0 3 upon x to the power 4. Okay, so now you can just simplify, get the answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
all right, let's solve one more question. We are saying compute the following. (98 to the power 5). Now what you can do this also, 98 into 98 into 98 into 98 into 98. But what else you can do? You can write it as 100 minus 2 to the power 5. And you can use binomial theorem, right?
Sir, like 5c0, the way
Yes. And
should
100 to the power 5 and minus 2 to the power 0.
just like special case.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
All right. All right, everyone. Very easy. And this will be plus 5c1 100 to the power 4
Sir, I got a
minus.
very big answer.
Yes, it will be a very big answer, right? 98, 98, 98. It will be at least 100 to the power 5. 1 with 10,090, right? Right? At least it will be this way,
10 zeros.
10 zeros, right? Okay. Akib, Joel, Abdul.
Sir, I'm getting very big.
Sorry.
Sir, the answer is very big.
Yes, I know. And they will ask this question at school. So get at the habit of doing this. Okay. So this is 1 and 1. This is 10 100 to the power 5. So 1 0 0 0 0 and 0 plus 5 times. Okay, this is actually minus. You can say 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and a 0, and plus you can simplify the rest. ठीक है, बीच वाला एक सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, बाकी तो ये दोनों तो सेम ही आएंगे. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So assessment is there in this class. Okay. Go to the app, website, whatever you want, and please solve the assessment. I hope everyone is clear about whatever we did in this class. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Abdul, Joel, sorry, not Abdul, Akib and Joel, please get the recorded lecture. Okay. Watch everything. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Then take care, guys. See you in the next class. Do the
Thank you,
assessment.
sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.